inside my notebook. Don't even read it when I'm gone. Don't let temptation flip the pages. Don't read my sad unfinished songs. I've let a couple read a page or two, but distance always finds its way. Don't ever think I'll read a page to you, 'cause I really need you to stay. So don't ever look inside my notebook. Make sure you always keep it safe. Don't let it fall into another's hands, but don't let them carry you away. I've always held on tight to what I know. I'm very honest with myself. I've always struggled with letting go. I'm scared that I'll have nothing left. No matter how simple you make it seem, I just can't justify transparency. The more I give you, the more you can take when you leave. So don't ever look inside my notebook. You'll read things you don't want to know. Don't ever think that you'll understand. My mind just says these things unplanned. So don't ever look inside my notebook. Don't prove my theory to be true. Don't up and